Welcome to the video podcast series of digital marketing brought to you by Elevate Digital. In this series, we would be talking about what is marketing and how it is different from digital marketing, what is website, what are mobile applications, and there are different means like search engine optimization, SCM, social media. We will be also talking about display advertising versus mobile advertising, and ultimately you need to analyze everything through data analytics. So what should a business owner do versus what a professional should do? All this and many more topics. So stay tuned and keep watching Elevate Digital. Hi guys, my name is Yogesh and he's Ranjan. Today our topic is data and marketing, so we are going to discuss about it. I hope you're going to like this. So Ranjan, what do you think? I mean, what's the importance of data and marketing?
I think it's a very important and very relevant topic in today's day and age, where data is pretty much the crux of whatever we do, and how did it evolve.
Right.
I want you, before we talk about digital, we should know, and our viewers and followers should know, that how this data comes into picture. I would like to take you back when World Wide Web was evolved. That's when actually data and digital marketing basically came into picture. Before that, it was just marketing which was happening, traditional plain, which still happens, still effective, but it has gained a new dimension because of digital. Now, what is digital? It's nothing but the data points, but the collection. Why people are on or internet, on website, is because they can identify where, what, who.
That's true. Yes.
And that's how, these are the points which make digital so much more important.
Yeah, as you rightly said, I mean, even as far as I understand or I remember, when this pager got launched in India in 1996, probably in May, that was the time when we started feeling that there is some digital world which is coming into the picture. And then the evolution of mobile, and there are a lot of devices.
Right.
And honestly speaking, you won't believe the statistic, but right now at this point in time, there are more than 7 billion devices which are connected with internet. So I think the entire evolution has happened because people have started using World Wide Web, and it has become very affordable for a major class of audience.
Yeah.
And that's the reason where we are getting data from.
Exactly. And which has led to a quantitative and qualitative data analysis where marketers and companies, business owners, can reach and identify and understand those data and digital touch points and target their audiences and reach their products and offering to a specific audience. Back in the days when companies would launch their products and it would go to for everyone, it may be applicable for some people, probably 5% of those, but they are spending it for the rest of them. Now, what digital advertising, marketing does is, all these data point does is, it basically identifies those specific users, those behaviors.
Yeah.
So, marketers now can basically use this data and digital touch points and target their communications about their products and services, in which case they will kind of, so it has become so much more effective than how it was back in the days.
Obviously, and being a marketer, I mean, I'm into this industry from last 15 years. Honestly speaking, this staggering data is a gold mine for any marketer.
Yeah.
The only challenge is how to process it, how to analyze it, and then bring out the insights and target your customers.
Exactly.
That's the challenge, and I think
that's what we would be helping out, and we will be talking about in a series of these.
I just want to intervene you, but that's where when I see the emerging technologies like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence.
These algorithms were previously as well. Now we term it as AI and ML. While ML basically learns it from the data that's being captured in the form of analytics, which is tons of data. I work and consult with various bigger world's biggest telecom operators to world's biggest furniture operations and companies like those. I see a huge amount of data that's being captured every day, but how do you take insights out of it? That's where you use all these algorithms, which is based on ML, machine learning, and then you apply that with AI, which is artificial intelligence, to make those informed decisions. Because as a human, there is only so much data that we can process. But when you apply all these algorithms, then this is now the new evolution, if I may say so, where what we talk about, the crux of data in marketing. It's going to the next level from just analyzing a set of data that you have captured to the next level, which is using AI and ML, and then
That's
used in various other methods. Like today, we talk about how this digital touch points, which spits out all these kind of data points that we have, to how effectively you do budget and planning, effectively reach to a certain audience.
Correct.
Then you have behavioral targeting.
Behavior, you get to analyze on the channels, and then you also get to know the sentiments of your customers.
Yes,
Those are also being analyzed by these data only.
Yeah, yeah.
Your social media marketing or even your content analysis
Yeah.
and content marketing is based on these data.
This is
So there are a lot of decisions that are being made because of these data,
Yeah.
which we are getting nowadays. It was not available in early 2000s.
yeah,
When we have channels like a newspaper, TV, radio, wherein we were targeting majority of audience without knowing who our customers are, and
Yeah.
are we reaching to the right audiences?
yeah. Think about it. Now it has become so much digitalized that even newspapers, TV, and radio, you have agencies which basically create these offline data
Yeah.
into an online. That becomes a data in itself as well, that you identify, and then you combine that with online. Offline data comes with online,
Yes.
and then you target, you create your new audiences. Well, to be honest, it's an endless topic that we can go on and on,
Obviously, yes.
but we wanted to give you an overview about this. So, thank you so much for watching.